Friends, we have reached Karsiong. This is Karsiong Tourist Lodge. You can see the mountain view we are having over here. Friends, this view is just awesome. You can see the sun is coming out slowly. The cloud is vanishing. It's from Karsiong. We have parked our vehicle safely at WBTDC Karsiong Tourist Lodge. हाँ, आपका नाम बोलिए।
प्रदीप लामा।
प्रदीप लामा जी हमारे यहाँ पे हमारे सुरक्षा के लिए है। He is for our safety and security at West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation Lodge at Karsiong. He is a very sweet and nice person. He takes care of every person very nicely. सबका गाड़ी, सबका सामान, सबको बहुत सिक्योर रखते हैं। हम लोग को संभाल के रखते हैं। इन्हीं के भरोसे हम लोग हैं। और प्रदीप जी, यहाँ वेदर अभी कैसा है? वेदर कैसा लगता है?
बढ़िया, ठीक है सर, नॉर्मली है।
ठंडा अभी कम है?
कम है ठंडा।
रात का टाइम थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ेगा,
थोड़ा बहुत, सुबह शाम थोड़ा सा।
Okay guys, signing off with Pradeep ji, and keep enjoying, keep viewing. Thank you.
Okay, bye sir.
Friends, this is the reception area for West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation Tourist Lodge at Karsiong. What is your name?
Shobik Datta.
Mr. Shobik Datta is the development officer out here. Very sweet and nice person, very helpful, and he's very religiously engaged in his duties. Since we came, this is the first time probably he's giving a bite to us. He was very busy in his works. Anyways, carry on with your work. Thank you for the bite.
Welcome.
And we are really enjoying your hospitality and courtesy. Your good name, please. Yeah, open your mask, please. People won't be able to recognize because this will go online.
Okay.
Your good name?
My name is Vivek Chetri, sir.
Mr. Vivek Chetri. You are as?
I'm attendant, sir.
Okay, attendant out here. And he's also a very nice person. At least for the last 1 month, I've given him 50 calls. And I have confirmed my booking and my travel, my itinerary and everything I've shared with him. And he has been extremely helpful every time with patience. He has heard my all queries. Again and again every day I called him up and I had inquired about everything since I was coming for the first time by self-driven car. So about the roads, about the weather, about the condition, about the facilities out here. So he has been very helpful to me, and thank you very much, Vivek ji. And we are enjoying your hospitality. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
The room conditions are extremely good. This is the lounge area, and you can see the views from here. Mist is coming down and it's quite heavy. A little time back views were proper and clear. Now you know in the hills it happens that this type of mist suddenly comes up and everywhere it's foggy, but the views from this lounge is very, very, very good. The rooms are like going down the stairs. The one floor you go down, you will find rooms. Again, another floor you go down, you will find rooms. No rooms are available on this, on the road, on the direct floor. Only the restaurant is there. Now we will be heading towards the restaurant. And this restaurant, I have never been to this place. Now this is the first time I'm going to the restaurant. This is some office room, I hope. Okay. And you're under CCTV surveillance, so security is not a thing to compromise out here. This is probably a part of the kitchen. There are boxes and everything. Wow, there is a very good garden out here. You can see the garden. It's properly groomed and properly maintained. There's a beautiful rose out there. This is the restaurant, and things are like people are enjoying their food, their lunch. Very nice place. You can see the road, the mist. There's some kind of a building. I don't know what it is, but I'll have to find out. It's quite up the hill. Now, for the timing, I may sign out, and I'll come back with more videos once I reach Darjeeling. This is the view of Karshiang I have shared with you. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you. Stay with us, stay tuned.